Hello! I've not done one of these for a while. Been doing a dip and bach, but I wanted to show what I'm making because I'm really happy with it. I'm not able to work on it super lot because of the heat. Dwi'n mod gweithio yn ymwag lot oherwydd faint o boeth mae di bod with llosgi and my hand efo dwylo a llosgi pren. But this is a minifigures for like D&D, ffigyrau bach ar gyfer D&D a pethau. It's going to be a trinket trading box. So I wanted to do like a little job thing at the front of the job, the RPG job list. And other references i'r pencil. There's like cabbages, avatar, critical role, legend of Antris, avanc, taliesin. There's D&D, yesge, like lots of different stuff. There's like nodyn yn fama ar gyfer Skyrim Feindal, and then wedyn ar y ochr dwi wedi designio hwn. I've designed this. This is a Welsh love spoon with a meeple D20 and like the Bran logo because it's going to be set at Bran. I've asked them already, they're fine with it. Yeah, they know about it. Then this is another piece dwi wedi designio. This is all dwi wedi darlunio yr dana yma all by hand gen dwylo a mae o freehand, dim treisio, dim byd, so dim job cora. Not the best job, but yeah, so there's like a daffodil here, like an out and about thing, the Bran logo, and this like some goblins inspired by the goblin that's the goblins that's on the wall, goblin that's on the wall. Really good thing if you can get goblins on the wall, so fucking good. The people in Bran are so lovely. So yeah, that's progress so far. Na progress mor belled. Mae hwn wedi cael ei peintio because the wood was too light and blending in, so it made it look like a notice board, so still a work in progress. But dyna di progress so far, and I'm really happy with it. It's been nice to get back into burning, but it's just been too hot. Mae wedi bod yn neis mynd fo'n llosgi blwyddyn hyn boeth, so I got shelves to do. Na di step nesa, shelves. The notice board bach o fama. Yr idea yw, chi'n mynd yna, you can swap your minifigures, kind of like chunk trading. Os ti isio neud, chi'n gallu cymryd in, just so people can play D&D. Mae pobl gallu chwarae D&D. Alright, but that's it, yeah. Dyna ydi prosiect diweddara. Diolch am gwylio, thank you for watching. Go Bran are super lovely. This is not sponsored or anything, this is my way of paying back to them because they're super lovely. So this will be in there eventually. Give me a couple of weeks basically, but yeah, this will be minifigure trading, so yeah, follow along I guess. So yeah, diolch am gwylio, thank you for watching.